Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by gathering ingredients and preparing them. Use 1 pound of crab meat and reserve shells for stock and measure 6 cups of water. Chop vegetables precisely. 1 cup onion, 1 cup celery, and 2 cups mixed carrots and tomatoes. Mince 3 cloves garlic. Measure seasonings ahead. 1 teaspoon sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 bay leaf, and 1 teaspoon Old Bay. Have 1/2 cup heavy cream and 2 tablespoons butter ready for finishing, so you can move quickly when the stock is done. Start stock by smashing reserved shells and simmering them with 6 cups water, 1 carrot, 1 onion, 1 celery stalk, and 1 bay leaf for 45 minutes to extract flavor. After simmering, strain the stock through a fine sieve and discard shells and vegetables, returning clear stock to the pot. In a separate pan, sauté 2 tablespoons butter, add 1/4 cup all-purpose flour to make a light roux, cook for 2 minutes. Then gradually whisk in 3 cups of strained stock to create a smooth base. Finish the soup by adding 1 pound crab meat to the simmering base and cook gently for 10 minutes to warm through without breaking the lumps. Stir in 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and adjust seasoning with 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Heat until just steaming. Garnish each bowl with 2 tablespoons chopped parsley and a squeeze of lemon, then serve hot with crusty bread. For storage, refrigerate leftovers up to 3 days or freeze up to 3 months in airtight containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.